Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Either one of my subscribers or just a viewer. I've known this, and I've probably shown this before. Uh, but text to path. Normally, you write out your text, you get text to path, and then you put it in there, and you get that red line, and you're in the center. And then, well, there's just another idea with that. Once you have that text to path, and you select it and take away, break it apart, you could still use, instead of typing this out, you could still use it by going to text and straighten text out. So it puts it back like it was. Now, his suggestion, and I don't ever use it for a couple of reasons, but if you grab your text tool and get that little squirrely line right there and put it on the quadrant, and then you start texting or typing text the path. It's in the center because you started in that center. So you want to make sure you do that. So if you just take the text tool and get that little squiggly line and start right here, you're going to have to move it. I can't type. You're going to have to move it manually around there, which isn't a problem. You got to click on it. Whoop. Make sure you click on the text and then just kind of move the text around and you'll get that red line. And like he showed, he sent me a little video. You can, go inwardly or outwardly with the shape tool, and then you could still, do other things like we've done before with the shape tool and, make the letters further apart or closer together. So next time you're going to do text to path, maybe think about starting on your path, get that little squiggly line, but make sure, well, not really that big a deal, but make sure you're on the quadrant. And then you can start typing. If for some reason looks like it's below the line, uh, and the advantage to this is you could see immediately that it's halfway across. And if you were trying to make up something, I guess it'd be helpful if I spelled it right. If you were trying to go all the way around, you could actually be texting it or typing it. Now you could make it, well, I guess you can't really make it. Well, I didn't have it selected. Um, I don't know that we could select it all. Yeah, we can. And make it 190 points or 150 and see how it changes it. Anyway, just a little bit more information on text to path. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.